In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business portfolio on Meta Business Suite. If you want to organize your business assets inside Meta Business Suite, creating a business portfolio is a great place to start. It helps you keep things more structured, especially if you manage multiple pages, ad accounts, or other business-related tools. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and look toward the upper left area of the screen. There, click on your profile. This is where Meta gives you access to account level and business related options. If your screen looks slightly different, just take a moment to locate the profile area before moving on. The goal here is simply to open the menu where portfolio creation is available. Once that menu is open, click on Create a Business Portfolio. This option starts the setup process for a new portfolio inside Meta Business Suite. If you manage different brands, clients, or divisions, this can be especially useful for separating and organizing everything properly from the beginning. Next, enter your business portfolio name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later. A simple professional name usually works best, especially if you expect to manage more than one portfolio over time. This name helps you identify the portfolio inside Meta, so it's worth making it specific and practical. After that, enter your contact information. This step is important because Meta uses these details in connection with your business setup. Make sure the information is accurate and current so your account remains easy to manage going forward. As you fill it in, double check for typos, since even small mistakes can create confusion later. When everything looks correct, click on Create. This will finalize the setup and generate your new business portfolio. Depending on your account and connection speed, it may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if you don't see the next screen immediately. And that's it. Once the portfolio is created, you'll be ready to continue setting up your business presence inside Meta Business Suite. Taking a moment to create this properly now can save time later when you start adding assets and managing permissions. Follow each part carefully, review your entries before submitting, and you should have your business portfolio created without any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.